only gonna go in a bloody Rolls Royce, bruv. Come on.
Really?
You didn't see nothing. You didn't see nothing.
There's more rooms. Good?
It's really good.
It's just all blue.
That's the British in me.
Not gonna put gravy on it?
With ketchup?
Chicken fried steak.
It's in the
Country gravy.
country
First,
gravy.
Country gravy review.
I'm nervous. really good.
Thank you.
Is that chicken?
It is chicken.
It is steak. It's like a cube steak.
Really good.
So far, your breakfast?
So I'll go one by one.
First, like shredded hash browns. He's been hating on them.
Alright.
Like before trying them, he was like, "That's weird."
Yeah, they're good. It's just shredded potatoes.
Yeah.
Nice. Then you got house
Home
fries.
fries.
Just potato. They're good. And then yeah, the steak.
He really liked his chicken fried steak. And his
It's not chicken though.
no fried like chicken.
No.
And your review of the country gravy.
Oh?
You liked it with the chicken? How do they get this tall? It's the type of tree.
Get a video.
I am.
Now this is what you call a drink.
You want soda or you want a Slurpee?
Nah, I probably won't have a slow. I'll have a soda. How much is this?
$1.
$1.99. That's so cheap.
$2.
That is so cheap. Fanta pineapple sounds nice. How do I? Oh, can I just try it? That's nice.
Root beer.
It's alright.
Better than the one you tried?
Yeah, a little bit, yeah. Wait, for all the bubbles to go down. I love this. Babe, would you like a double extra large?
No.
Can I ask your dad, what would your dad drink? I want to surprise him with one.
Hello, do you talk? Do you talk? No? Carry on.
That's crazy.
It's probably hot.
person themselves, they're not be like, okay, yeah, do that.
Smells like good.
Oh, baby.
First American smash burger at Iron Strike Smash Burger in Portland.
For breakfast.
A smash burger.
Why?
Give it a try.
It smells incredible. I love it. I got a single. It's got lettuce, cheese, no pickles. I don't like pickles. Oh. Wow. The beef's supposed to be really crispy.
See a bite, man.
Where do I start?
Get a good one.
That's so good. That is so good. It's going to be a messy one, I reckon. I don't know what sauce this is. It's just... it's good. I can see these being very popular in the UK. Like, really soft bun. The patty is flavourful. The cheese is nice. The sauce is just incredible. The lettuce is just there for effect. But for me, it's the bun. The bun makes the burger. Maybe the sauce this time, but overall it is the bun. But yeah, just that sauce is incredible.
There's normal pizza and then extra cheesy pizza. Cheddar jalapeno.
We should write a new Halloween song. We could be rich. Halloween song, huh? Well, I suppose I can.
Okay, go ahead.
That is why I will never ever piss one off. Oh, hey, I love it. What you doing, honey butt?
Shake.
Scary. Whoa! Oh. Never mind.
Hello, help me please. This is Stu Walker's house on Turner Lane. It's 261 Turner Lane.
How are you?
Please. He's gonna try and kill me.
Yeah, have fun.
He's on his phone.
He's videoing
you. Don't even try it.
you. What'd you do?
I'm hella ticklish.
He is
Don't even try.
ticklish.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Don't
We're not kidding.
Don't even try, bro. Today we're here at Alberta, where it's called
Market.
Alberta Market. We're going to try the famous fried chicken. We went here, so we're going to go give it a crack. And I see people walking out with bags, so I reckon they're comfortable. Fried chicken.
Some fresh pieces just
Oh,
came
it
in.
does look good. It does look good. It does look good.
Menu's up there.
Alright, we got the goods. The smells insane. It smells so good. Yeah, thank you to Elizabeth. Big up Elizabeth. She gave me some good customer service. Told me the sauce to get. Yeah, I'm home.
Okay.
Alright, we got a big old bag of JoJo's, or potato wedges we call them. Alright,
Without ketchup, I guess.
I'm just gonna try them a la carte.
Yeah.
Got a good spice to them. You can take the other one.
Yeah.
But we know what we're here for.
Good and fresh.
Oh, the bag is... If you see the grease spots, you know you're getting the good stuff.
It was really busy. Like, well, we got to order right when we walked in, but you could see people coming in and out.
Damn, look at that. Oh. Oh my God. That might be the best fried chicken I've ever had in my life. Period.
Glad you like it.
That's so good. That is so good.
Tomorrow?